Right like the wind's bullseye.
Hi everyone, welcome to my world of colors. Today I'm gonna color in my Toy Story 4 coloring page. Ta-da! This is a picture of Bullseye. I hope you guys follow along with me and you need something to do with markers, a blue paper and some craft stores. So let's get ready because time will get started right now.
Okay, so let's start on his face first. His nose is cream colored. And he has a pink tongue. And his ears is cream colored. Let's color in his mane dark brown. And let's make his body lighter brown. Let's do the red brown. Let's color in his shadow gold and dark brown. And Bullseye has a dark brown tail. And our finished color is Bullseye. Let's color in the star up here, yellow. And our finished color is the picture of Bullseye. Let's collage and frame the picture.
And I'm all finished! Wow, this picture turned out so cool! Bullseye just looks so cute and I really love him. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you have fun in my world of colors. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get the newest fun video I make. I'm Harry P from World of Colors. Have a fun day and I'll see you next time. Bye!